morning, namaskar, adab and sat shri akal to everyone. It's me, Ms. Shagufta Afridi and Ms. Rita Saluja, our host and mentor of this grand celebration of Children's Day. We are happy to welcome all the virtual audiences that are my lovely students out there. A child always teaches an adult three things. You know what? I know you can't say, but I'm there for you. First, to be happy for no reason. Second, to be always busy with something. And third, know how to demand all its might what you want. Now, I would like to give mic to Ms. Rita Saluja for the continuation of this fantastic and memorable Children's Day.
Every child is a different kind of flower and all together make a beautiful garden. I wish all my dear students a very happy Children's Day and hope to see you all back soon. Prayer is the cure for a confused mind, a weary soul and a broken heart. What can be a better way to start the day than prayer? Let us all join together in praise of Lord through this prayer song.
तेरी है ज़मीन तेरा आसमां तू बड़ा मेहरबान तू बख्शिश कर सभी का है तू सभी तेरे खुदा मेरे तू बख्शिश कर तेरी है ज़मीन तेरा आसमां तू बड़ा मेहरबान
symbolizes brightness and prosperity. It removes the force of darkness and gives us positivity. Now, I would like to call Sister Principal to light the lamp with Vice Principal Miss Sandhya, Miss Rita Saluja and Miss Shagufta.
रोशनी का कोई दरिया तो है, हाँ कहीं पे जरूर। रोशनी का कोई दरिया तो है, हाँ।
Now I would like to request a few teachers to shower the flowers on Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru.
दरिया तो है, हाँ कहीं पे जरूर।
ये आसमां ये ज़मीन, चांद और सूरज, क्या बना सका है कभी कोई भी कुदरत, क्या बना सका है कभी कोई भी कुदरत।
Now please pay attention on my lines. They are mesmerizing and fantastic as me. She is book of quotations which make us citizen. She is so simple which leave us with dimple. She is guideline for my lifeline. Yes, she is also a magician of teachers, moral values and of ethics. What else would I say about my principal? She is an imprint of great intellectual. Now, I would like to invite our Honorable Principal Sister Sharon to come on the stage and request her to share some memories and views regarding her favorite and talented students. So, wherever you are sitting and standing, give a big round of applause for our Principal Sister Sharon.
A warm good morning to you, dear teachers and students. Every child born in this world reminds that God still loves the world. I take this opportunity to wish you, dear children, very happy and pleasant Children's Day. Dear children, we celebrate today the Children's Day on the occasion of the birthday of our first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. So also, dear children, we love you so much, and on this occasion and this year 2020, we really miss you that we celebrate Children's Day without your presence. As you know that, as we have told many times, Carmel means garden, and you are the buds and flowers of Carmel School. And garden is beautiful only when there is varieties of flowers, and you are the varieties, And you are the buds and flowers of Carmel that gives beauty to the garden and beauty to the school. And this year, we appreciate your virtual presence, and we ask you to join us in this celebration. As we are in this pandemic, COVID-19, we want you to keep healthy and be blessed. We pray for you and for your family that they all may be blessed with abundant graces of God. All of you keep well, and the Children's Day sweets will be distributed when you come to school. And we really once again miss you all. And your teachers have worked hard to make this day happy. They have prepared the program under the guidance of Sister Annette, the Vice Principal, and your lovely teachers have made lovely program. So I don't take much time of you. So once again, I ask you all to cultivate the virtues that is already instilled in your minds, the virtues of love, charity, faithfulness, loyalty, and innocence. Please do keep up today and the days to come. Once again, I wish you very happy Children's Day. At this time, light you all like. So let us be people with light and wish you all a very happy, joyful Diwali too.
Very few may refuse to be influenced by poetry, as poem expresses the depth of feelings put into words together without much effort. The world is full of diamonds and gems, and we are having them in form of our children. I welcome Mrs. Reema to fill her color in your as she fills her in her arts.
सुप्रभात। मम्मी मुझको बस्ता ले दो, मैं भी स्कूल जाऊंगा, ABCD पढ़ूंगा और क ख ग भी पढ़कर आऊंगा, सीखूंगा नई बातें और आकर सबको सिखलाऊंगा। मम्मी मुझको बस्ता ले दो, मैं भी स्कूल जाऊंगा, पढ़ लिख कर एक दिन मैं भी नाम ही बहुत कमाऊंगा। होगा गर्व मुझे उस दिन जब देश के काम में आऊंगा, कलाम भगत सिंह जैसे बनकर इस जग में मैं छा जाऊंगा। मम्मी मुझको बस्ता ले दो, मैं भी स्कूल जाऊंगा। धन्यवाद।
A smoothing collaboration of words with music creates an immense joy in heart, and that's we call a song. Nowadays, everyone is suffering from problems regarding jobs, health, depression, loss of life. But this is life and we have to deal it. Once Rahat Indori said that we have lost him during this COVID period. लोग हर मोड़ पे रुक रुक के संभलते क्यों हैं? लोग हर मोड़ पे रुक रुक के संभलते क्यों हैं? इतने डरते हैं जनाब तो घर से निकलते क्यों हैं? Now just freshen up your mind and have a positive thought through this song by Miss Priyanka, Miss Rimpi, Miss Ankita and Miss Pinky. Please.
She'll be coming down the mountain when she comes, when she comes. She'll be coming down the mountain when she comes, when she comes. She'll be coming down the mountain when she comes, when she comes. She'll be coming down the mountain when she comes. Singing ya ya, yippee yippee ya ya ya. Singing ya ya, yippee yippee ya ya ya. Singing ya ya, yippee yippee ya ya. Yippee yippee ya ya, yippee yippee ya. She'll be riding 6 white horses when yippee ya ya ya, singing ya ya, yippee yippee ya ya ya, singing ya ya, yippee yippee ya ya, yippee yippee ya ya, yippee yippee ya. The wheels of the bus goes round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels of the bus goes round and round, all through the town, all through the town. The horn of the bus goes pom pom pom, pom pom pom, pom pom pom. The horn of the bus goes pom pom pom, all through the town, all through the town. The children in the bus goes ha ha ha, ha ha ha, ha ha ha. The children in the bus goes ha ha ha, all through the town, all through the town. Thank you.
Physical fitness is a state of health and well-being. As it is rightly said, a healthy mind resides in a healthy body. Let us pledge to keep ourselves fit and fine. For this, let us enjoy this colorful and fun-filled PT by the lady teachers of Carmel School, Kargali.
What is God? Yes, it's a common question that a curious mind of a children always ask. According to me, the answer is He is breath inside the breath. I think this world is weird, but the thing we love about this, it is made from heaven. God make us everything that we love. Sometime when we full of hatreds, we feel like this. Remember our virtual audiences out there. Thank God we have a place to live, a family to love, money to spend, and the luck you have been given to see the day again. Now, to increase this positive attitude in all of you, let's invite our teachers to create enthusiasm among you all.
इतनी सी हंसी, इतनी सी खुशी, इतना सा टुकड़ा चांद का, ख्वाबों के तिनकों से चल बनाए आशिया। इतनी सी हंसी, इतनी सी खुशी, इतना सा टुकड़ा चांद का, ख्वाबों के तिनकों से चल बनाए आशिया। जिंदगी की यही रीत है, हार के बाद ही जीते हैं। जिंदगी की यही रीत है, हार के बाद ही जीते हैं। थोड़े आंसू है, थोड़ी हंसी, आज गम है तो कल है खुशी। जिंदगी की यही रीत है, हार के बाद ही जीते हैं। यूं ही कट जाएगा सफर साथ चलने से, कि मंजिल आएगी नजर साथ चलने से। यूं ही कट जाएगा सफर साथ चलने से, कि मंजिल आएगी नजर साथ चलने से। पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा, बेटा हमारा ऐसा काम करेगा। मगर ये तो कोई न जाने कि मेरी मंजिल है कहाँ। पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा, ये तो सच है कि भगवान है मगर फिर भी अनजान है। धरती पे रूप माँ बाप का, उस विधाता की पहचान है। ये तो सच है कि भगवान है मगर फिर भी अनजान है। धरती पे रूप माँ बाप का, उस विधाता की पहचान है। हैप्पी चिल्ड्रंस डे, हैप्पी चिल्ड्रंस डे, हैप्पी चिल्ड्रंस डे टू यू। हैप्पी चिल्ड्रंस डे, हैप्पी चिल्ड्रंस डे, हैप्पी चिल्ड्रंस डे टू यू।
Let us dedicate the celebrations to all the children. This day is so special. We have a lot of excitement in our program and brought a host of entertaining programs. Let me invite Mrs. Amrita for her precious words to throw light on this day for you.
Good morning, children. My dear children, today is Children's Day, a day dedicated to you. For me, it's also the day dedicated to love. I believe every child, every one of you brings more love into this world. When I see you, my heart swells with pride, love and joy. In your shining faces, I see hope. I see a brighter tomorrow. In your radiant eyes, I see the promise of what you will achieve. My dream is to see your dreams come true. I long for the day your achievements will be celebrated by all of us. Make us proud, make your parents and the nation proud. I will be waiting to see you on Make Your Mark on the World. My heartful love to all of you. Happy Children's Day.
I, Ms. Shagufta Afridi, on behalf of Carmel School Kargali, on this memorable event of Children's Day and the entire team of wonderful, fantastic, talented and magnificent teachers and our non-teaching staff. Let me call it fraternity of our teachers group, Sister Annette, for her kind words as a vote of thanks for all of us. So give a big round of applause for Sister.
The children of today will make India of tomorrow. Respected principal, sisters, teachers, and my dear students. First of all, I wish all the students Happy Children's Day. Children's Day is celebrated across the country with joy and delight. Childhood is a place to be in, so enjoy your childhood days and make good memories. We, the teachers, are here today because you all have motivated us to guide you all. Teachers become educators not only because of knowledge, but you students play a very important role in our lives. You make us understand what we are and what we mean to you. As I stand today before you, I take this opportunity to thank all our dear teachers who spent their time and energy to make this day a very delightful. Thank you, dear teachers, for making this day a wonderful one. Thanks to you all. Have a happy Children's Day. Thank you.